Hi there, and welcome to Maths with Dan. Today we're going to go over, for example, what sort of grade boundaries that are needed in each paper to get the levels that you want. For private tuition, my email will be in the description below. Any sort of questions, leave it in the comment box and I'll get back to you. But yeah, let's get straight into it. So within EdXL, first off, we're going to go over the foundation paper and then we're going to go over the higher after. So pretty much in the mathematics foundation paper, it's out of 240 marks because each paper, there's 3 papers, is 80 marks. And to manage to get a pass, you need 134 marks. So each paper, you need about 44 marks to get a pass. So you need just over half to get that level 4 and to hopefully then move on into A levels or get that 4 that you need to move on into the future. To get a level 5, so if you want to do slightly better in the foundation paper, you need about 55 marks in each paper. Therefore, if let's say out of 80, you only manage to get 40 marks, then 40 marks, you'll need to get close to 100% if you want to get that level 5 in the paper 3 that you have coming up. So you need quite a lot of marks in the foundation paper to get a pass or get a level 5. With the higher paper, however, it's also out of 240 marks. I'll go through each one. To get a pass, you only need 37 marks overall. So that pretty much, you only need 23. You only need 12 and a half marks, so 12 or 13 marks in each paper to get a pass, to get a level 4. Therefore, you probably only need to get 2 questions right out of 20 questions to pass higher level maths in each paper. So if each paper you got 2 questions right, you can literally pass and get level 4. Therefore, if you're doing a higher paper, you should pretty much quite easily be getting a pass. It's very easy. Literally just get 2 questions right. And then, for example, to get something like higher, like a higher level, you need about 122 marks. So that's 122 marks out of the 3 papers. So that's about 40 marks per paper. So if you get about half the paper right in each paper, you're looking at about a level 7, which is an A. So you only need half the paper to get an A. So you see how attainable that is. As long as you just understand the spec and you really bang out your paper 3, you can pretty much, let's say you really bang out paper 3 and you manage to get 60, 70 marks. That could up you from averaging about a 5 all the way up to like a level 7. So it's very attainable. And then to get a level 9, you need about 187 marks overall. So that's about 62 marks in each paper. So you only need to get about 77, 78% of the paper correct. So that's like just over 2/3 of the paper, 3/4 of the paper right to get a level 9, which is like very top percent of people. Therefore, it's very attainable. It is very easy to get a pass. To get the high levels, it will be harder, but just hopefully this guys will give you a breakdown of what you have to do and the sort of marks you need. For example, let's say you were only managed to get a certain amount of marks in the first 2 papers, how many more marks you'll need in paper 3 to get up to level that you guys need. But that's it. Thank you for today, and I hope you enjoyed.